Nickel, pickle, gotta love it.
So I've seriously gotten into metal detecting in the last couple of years, and I broke down and got the Dr. Otek hand shovel. This thing is heavy duty, a value-packed shovel. So what can I tell you about it? It's a thick manganese steel, a double serrated edge. It's already slightly sharpened. It's got a tape measure on the backside. Never really used that. An ergonomic handle's got like a tactile rubber feel to it. And this large shape here allows you to really dig in. Probably the best way though to demonstrate this guy is to use it out in the field. So hang on, I got some footage.
Nickel, pickle, gotta love it. Another nickel, I think. Yep, a nickel.
You know, although I carry it in my finds bag, it comes with a nice sheath that you can carry it with like a Velcro loop so you can quickly take it on and off. Highly recommend this guy. It is a value-packed hand shovel. Buy it with confidence. I know it's going to last a lifetime for me.